I want to play you some of Dr. Fauci's comments to Chris Hayes on this network earlier tonight.
One of the wild cards, Chris, that we have to keep an eye on are the mutations, the mutants that are out there. Because if they become dominant, that then could lead to another surge.
Doctor, I don't need to tell you these mutations scare the hell out of everybody. They scare the hell out of people who've already perhaps had their first shot, people hanging all their hopes on their 2 vaccine shots. How should people view this?
Look, I'm not an alarmist, but this is as scared as I have been since the beginning of the pandemic. We have several variants that we're worried about. We have one from the UK, which is more transmissible. So that means it spreads more easily from one person to another. That means more cases, more hospitalizations, more deaths. We have 2 other variants, one out of South Africa, one out of Brazil. Those are concerning because the immune response triggered by the vaccines seem to be less protective, still effective, but less protective, trending in the wrong direction against those mutant strains. And now we're seeing a hybrid mutant, which has some characteristics of the UK variant, as well as some of the South African variant. So not only more transmissible, but also evading to some degree the immune response triggered by the vaccine. So this is really a problem. And we need to be slowing spread of the virus, whether it's through vaccination or all of the other things we've been doing all along, as quickly as possible.
Is there also going to come a time people living in various states are waiting for all their seniors and frontline medical workers to get the vaccine? Will there come a day when in your state they say, OK, ages 16 to 65, general population, come on out, it's all yours?
There will eventually come a time, perhaps later this summer. But I think right now, my key message would be, especially with the rise of these variants, this is not the time to let down your guard. You absolutely need to double down on the masking, the social distancing, the good ventilation, sticking to your household bubbles. All of that stuff needs to continue until we can get everybody vaccinated.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.